So hey you guys, I was supposed to be doing like a luxury bag kind of thing going on, but I don't really feel like doing that. So what I am gonna do is share with you guys my Christmas birthday present. Okay, so you guys are actually gonna get to see this again, because when I went to my mom's house, that's where I saw this, and I was like, Ma, I really want this, and she was like, I'm gonna get it for you because you're my only child, and what you asked for is what you're gonna get. I'm just joking, she didn't do all of that. She just said, you sure you want it? I said, yeah, Mom, it's so cute. So she got it for me. So of course it's all clad. Because you know my money. Funny. I'm just joking. There's power in the words, people. Power in the words. Don't be speaking stuff that ain't the truth into your life. Okay? So, I saw this and I'm like, oh my gosh. So, it is a stainless steel multi-pot. And it has a draining insert, dishwasher safe, and all that good jazz. So, I was like, you know what? If I wanted to just do a quick little corn sausage, shrimp, kind of little seafood thing, like, you know, 1 or 2 people, I could just drop it in here, not the corn, but the shrimp and stuff. I could do that, which was going to be really, really great. And look at that. Spaghetti. If you want to make spaghetti, you can. Just let the water boil, add your little spaghetti. Once it's done, you just pull it out. I thought this was really cute. I wanted it, and now I get to add it to my lovely collection. Okay, that's that. So, muchas gracias, Mom. She always makes it happen when I ask for stuff. So, thank you. Thank you, Mom, for my battery, for sending it. I gotta send you your stuff, too. So, this is the moment that most of you guys have been stressing me out about. I've been really busy this past like 2 months. The only bag that I have been wearing is the Gucci Mama, and that is pretty much it. I haven't been wearing anything else. Not the Speedy, not the nothing, okay? Because it's black, it's easy. I just put it on my body and go. It has a little bit of gold detailing on there, and I can just go. I don't want to travel with anything else. I think my other bags cost a little bit more, so I really wanted this bag a whole lot. So thank you to Mom. She knows that's for. Mom said, you're not gonna like it. It's so tiny. But I love it because it's what I wanted. Oh. If you guys remember last year for my birthday haul, you would know exactly what bag I got, because from that video that I did, I said my wish list was this Gucci bag that kind of favored the Louis Vuitton Big Gum and this bag right here. And I said I'm probably gonna move towards this just because I wanted to incorporate some color into my closet, because most of my bags are nude, brown, or black, and this would be my first color going into my closet. So are you going to see me rocking this bag? Probably not, because I am pretty busy. But doesn't mean that I don't love it. I do love it. I like to have things in my closet, so when I am ready to wear it, it's there. That's just the kind of person that I am. I don't like, not having it, or whatever the case may be. But I really do feel like I am going to enjoy the bag, even though my mom said, it's so small. Why you want that little baby bag? I'm like, don't you have a little small bag that cost you a whole hip replacement? But my bag is collectible. Oh, you guys, I love it. Okay, so I'm in my kitchen. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what the bag looks like. So I'm really, really loving it. So Ma, it's not too small. Thank you though. So I really do love the handbag. I'm telling y'all now, it's going right back in the box. Not that I don't like the bag. I love the bag. I'm just like, I can't even really enjoy it the way that I would want to, just because I'm guessing this is for the lock and key. Where's the key at though? Okay, where's my key? Don't make me upset. Please don't make me upset.
Hello?
Ma,
Yes.
m'ge valise lan, mais ça qui passe avec Cléa.
What's wrong with it?
There's no key.
And then the key is, of course, right there.
Okay, thank you. That is it. Thank you so very much.
Of course, you have a good one. You have a wonderful mom.
Ah, I do have a good mom. You shouldn't have said that while she was on the phone, honey. She gonna milk this for 2 years. Ooh, thank you so much.
Bye, Mama. Bye, Miss Maria.
Bye. Thank you. All right, Ma. Sorry. Don't go off. First of all, you're not supposed to go off until I tell you the key ain't there all the way. You know, I'm used to the key being in the bag. They normally don't put it on the bag. So, you know, I'm opening it up. I'm like, okay. But thank you.
Alright.
Right. The key is there. That was my bad. But, you guys, I am gonna really enjoy this, and this is why I tell you guys, even in my last video from last year, I'm gonna do another bag collection video. I'm just busy, y'all, so I'm just kind of throwing them together now because I know you guys were interested in seeing the bag or whatever. But anyway, I told you guys last year, start off with like little small accessories because they do make a world of difference at times when you do things like this. So you can do it where you can wrap the handles, which I've done that before, or you can just simply tie it. I am going to enjoy the mess out of this bag because I don't have any red, and I have been wearing some reds and things. Oh my gosh, I have to show you guys my shoes that I bought. I gotta show you guys the shoes. I have to show you guys the shoes. I mean, it ain't really okay. Let me not do this right now because I'm not even in a tie-in type of mood, and I don't want you to be like, Nadia, really? You just brought that bag down like 50 notches with this horrible bow. Okay, it's not, don't look at it, okay? It's horrible, but you know, just to give you a little, if you're wearing it on the side, you know, something like that, just really cute. But yeah, when I told her this was the bag that I wanted for my birthday, she was like, you're not gonna like the bag. It's tiny. Did you see? I'm like, yes, I seen it, Ma. I don't know what it is. I feel like I'm in like a small bag phase of my life right now. I just like the crossbody. With a bigger bag, you're just more inclined to put it down, to lay it down, or anything, stuff like that, and things of that nature. So I just really wanted like a little small cutesy bag, and I'm sure I can still fit my stuff in there. My wallet may not fit, but I do have the Louis Vuitton Pochette, and I am loving this bag so much. I believe the color is pronounced Coclito, but I could be wrong. You know, I don't know where Louis gets half of their names from, but I'm sure you can probably go in there and just say you want the red Alma BB if you're interested in it. But I really do love the bag. I'm gonna go upstairs and show you guys my red shoes because they're so adorable. I am not gonna wear them together. I'm not that girl that does like a red belt and a red shoe, and I don't do that. So my plan is to probably wear something like this where I'm all like in black, and then I throw my red pop of color on there, or whatever the case may be. But I don't plan on wearing the bag. I'm putting it right back in the box, y'all. Put my little bow right back on there, put it right back in my closet, putting it right back in the box. So I pretty much went upstairs and got the shoes, and I put the towel down and stuff like that. But these right here are the ones that I just picked up. I wanted some flats. You know, I'm gonna consider this year for Christmas to be like a fail design wise, just because I'm just really tired. I've been working, I'm busy, I'm trying to fit everything in, and as long as there's a tree, the kids are happy. But I know you guys wanted something like really like zhuzhed up, and like I'm not doing a tour and all these things and stuff. So next year, I got y'all though. I got y'all next year. But this year, you just gotta bear with me, okay? But anyway, these shoes, super adorbs. I wanted something blue. You guys know I'm like super girly, so I didn't want to give up on that, having to wear flats. So the bow on the front are just really cute. These are the shoes. I've actually worn them twice already. And I also have these. These are the Nanette slides. Again, the jewel detail on the front. Hold up. You guys have to kind of get into this because it's so pretty. I love the pink and the nude color on there. It almost reminds me of like one of the little Gucci's or something like that. So I really do love this a whole lot. These guys here were at Macy's. I want to say they were $49. I will do my best to find all these shoes and link them down below. If you guys are interested, you can pretty much shop. Okay. These next ones here are INC International. Again, I just don't want to give up on like my girliness having to wear flats. So when I saw these, I was like, oh my gosh. And in lieu of the Christmas spirit, these were just really, really nice. Again, haven't worn them, brand spanking new, just picked them up. And I am loving them so, so much. Like, oh my gosh, you guys. Super, super girly. And the thing about slides is, even though I was wearing flats or mules, I did not want them to be like cheap. So the original price on these were still in that like 90, 100, 120, 180 price range, but I was able to get them at like a really good deal. I want to say these were like 50 or something. I don't know. Don't quote me on the price, just because I did not just buy 1 or 2 pairs. I think I bought like 6 pairs in like a sitting. So that was that. I don't know. I have to show these to Mel. I haven't shown them to her. These will make really great Christmas presents if you have a friend and you know that she's like a mule type of person and they're affordable. 50 bucks isn't horrible to spend on a friend. Okay. There's another YouTuber on here by the name of Style with Nina. I actually came across her video after I did a bag haul a few months ago, and she was talking about restoring one of her Chanel bags, and I was like, oh. So I reached out to her about the company that she went through and stuff, and we just kind of started messaging through that. But I had shared that I was coming to Atlanta, and she's like, hey, do you want to meet up? I'm like, sure, no problem. And I'm really, really happy because you can come to me for the home, but if you're interested in anything fashion, couture, all that, looking good, you can definitely head over to her channel and check her out. I will leave her at the I will leave her one of her videos at the end of this, and I'll also leave her name in the link down below. We ended up going into Neiman's together, and she actually was returning this shoe, not this shoe, but this shoe, okay? And I was like, oh, these are cute. They almost kind of mimic the Valentinos. And she was like, yeah, but these were like $30 or something like that. And I was like, really? And I was like, I have to find them. So of course, called sales associate, started looking around the store, and I ended up finding them. And I did pick them up in the size 8. So I will say these are no longer available, not on the website or anywhere. You can probably find this somewhere. If I find it online, I will link it. It's gonna be a little bit more. I think I went online and found them for like $50 or $60, and I was like, thank God I found them at Neiman's. So either Neiman's or Nordstrom, I'm not really sure. You know, guys know I'm not really big on going into the stores. I'm like an online shopper, for real. But I ended up picking these up, and again, they are so similar to the Valentinos. And then the next shoe that I found while I was with her, bad influence, bad influence, was these here, and these are from Shoots. These run true to size. I did buy them in a 7.5, and I wear 7.5, so I bought these in an 8, so I would say go a half size in those Mark Fisher ones. And these are absolutely gorgeous. With my new bag, these are going to look great. Again, they kind of mimic these. You'll notice I'm really basic. Like, I'm really basic. If something works for me, I'm pretty much sticking with it. I'm pretty consistent on it because it just works. And if it works, don't break it. It works, okay? And for me, this really nice side bow and everything just looks really great. I love it. They're super comfortable. I have not worn them. I'm saying they're super comfortable because I own at least 7 pair of shoes. So when I saw these, I want to say they were $80. I was like, excuse me, yes. I believe the original price was like 100 and something. So I thought this was really great. I have some other things that I want to share with you guys, but definitely loving all my new shoes. Thank you so very much to Miss Nina. If you guys are looking for handbags, clothing, you know, she wears all that designer stuff and purchased all that design stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely feel free to check out her channel. I'll leave everything linked down below. But other than that, that's pretty much it, you guys. That was all the things that I pretty much had to share with you. I hope you guys have a really great day. I will see you guys next time. And again, Everything will be linked in the description box if you guys are interested in anything. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.